Morning, children. So let's start our ICT lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a new term, which is coding. Alright, so the objective of today's lesson is to understand what is coding. Alright, now we all know that many of the devices and the gadgets we use each day are controlled by computers. These machines, these devices, or these gadgets, they follow step of instructions to complete the task. Yes or no? Yes. Let's take an example of the mobile phone. Okay, so we make a call, we receive a call. How do we do that? We press a button, isn't it, on the phone, and we are able to answer the call or make a call. How does it happen? Because the computer linked here in the mobile is being given instructions to do so. Okay, so the computer follows the instructions to do so. All right, and let's take an example of a car. So the computer linked with the car gives you the information about the amount of fuel in the car. It helps us to maintain the temperature, tells us about the speed of the car, isn't it? Similar are the other devices, all right, which we use. Okay, now children, so as I said, computer devices, or the devices linked with the computer, they need certain instructions. They need instructions to complete the task. So now, can somebody guess me what am I talking of, or what do you understand by coding? So coding is nothing but the method of giving instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. All right, so what is coding? It's the method of giving instructions to the computer. All right, so code means instructions, coding means to write instructions. Okay, so coding means to give instructions to the computer to perform specific task. Okay, now let's understand it this ways. See, for example, not for example, actually the computer knows nothing. Okay, the computer knows nothing. It does not have any information. Now the people who write these codes, okay, they are known as computer programmers, also known as coders and software programmers, but let's stick to a word, computer programmers. Okay, so what these programmers do is they write the instructions, okay, for the computer to follow, cause computer does not know anything. Somebody made a computer, that's it. Those are different parts which are assembled together, which are kept together. Okay, now the computer programmer teaches or explains the instructions. Okay, the computer programmer explains the computer what to do and how to do. And how does he do that? He writes instructions. Okay, so those instructions are called codes, or that's called computer coding. All right, did you understand this? Now what happens is, the computer programmer or the people write code. Okay, they write code. Code powers computer. Okay, now that code has the ability that the computer can perform the tasks now successfully. The computer powers many everyday objects like phones, watches, washing machines, microwave, etc., etc. All right, so did you understand what is the meaning of coding? Coding is the method of writing instructions to a computer or giving instructions to a computer to perform a task. All right, children?